Alright, we are in Cairns to explore the nature, and right now I'm on the Sky Rail, and I don't think it's a good option to start the vlog right here. That's awesome. Now we're just gonna walk for a while, explore this place, then get to the next station. A great view over here, see that? Let's get to Kuranda. Alright, this is the Barron Falls station. After this, we'll be going to the Kuranda. A 20-minute walk, then we head off to the station which takes us to Kuranda. Looks like there is a ton of stuff over here to explore, so let's start. The train will get us back to the hotel at 3:15. The boat will arrive here around 50 minutes. The boat's here. It's here and we're going to go. Awesome. Come and have a seat. You're here. It's so peaceful. Bye. Thank you. That was awesome. That was done. Now to the bird world. Look at those things. Hey, you got a big one, man. Oh my god. Can you see that? I got a bird. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got another bird. This thing eating my watch. Oh my god. Okay. I got it on my shoulders. Alright, that's the end of the Paris story. Right now, we'll take the bus to the train, and the train will lead us to the Cairns city. Then it'll be easier for us to get to the hotel. Alright, made it back to the hotel, and I'm too tired right now. That's it for today. Alright, we're gonna go to the Green Island, and the boat leaves at 9, so get moving. See that? It's a great view. Alright guys, now I'm going for snorkeling. Can't film because no GoPro. No GoPro means no filming underwater. So sorry for no snorkeling footage. Alright, just finished snorkeling. Now do this submarine. This is the semi-submarine which we are in. This is exactly what you see when you go for snorkeling. Alright, just finished the submarine and snorkeling, both amazing. I didn't just show you the island. Here, I'll show you right now. See, that's where I did the snorkeling. Now we are actually going to the crocodile park. Let's go. See, I'm finally holding a crocodile. Here he goes. It's a baby one. Nothing to be scared of. What have we done?